Hello, all dear aspirants. So, welcome to EduShield. I am your new mentor, and my name is HARSHITA Sharma. Let me give a brief introduction about my background. So, I am from Nagpur, and I am a first year BCom honors student from kirori College, North Campus, Delhi University. So, today I'll be taking you through the preference list, which I think would be appropriate for any BCom honors aspirant. But before that, let me tell you about more about EduShield. EduShield is an edtech platform, and we help you with your CUET preparations. So you will get all the facilities like test series, form filling, online counseling, live classes, and doubt solving with us. So let us know how you feel about this session, and get in touch with us if you have any questions. So let's start without any further ado. Um, yes. So the first college, like every commerce student dreams of after class 12, is none other than College of Commerce (SRCC), which is the topmost college of the North Campus, and it is preferred by most of the students because it is the number one college of commerce in the entire country. Uh, it also has things to offer like good placement and a good exposure, good opportunities. There are many societies like dramatics, consulting, placement cell, and everything. So it helps you in your overall holistic development. And second would be Lady Shriram College. So it's a women college, or it's an all girls college. It is in South Campus, but despite being in South Campus, it still holds the value of any other North Campus in terms of BCom honors, specially. So second preference would be Lady Shriram College, which is a South Campus college. And third would be Hindu College, Hindu, Hansraj, and fifth is Kirori. Okay, so let's talk about Hindu and Hansraj. Hindu and Hansraj are also the prestigious colleges of North Campus in terms of BCom honors too, other than other Paul Science and other humanity background courses. But Hindu and Hansraj are also good BCom honors colleges. After Sri Ram College of Commerce, they are just a little behind in the line, little behind Sri Ram College of Commerce. So Hindu and Hansraj would be a great place to pursue a BCom honors degree. Yes, similarly, it offers many opportunities and exposure. Fifth college is Kirori College, my own college. Uh, Not being biased towards it, but Kirori College is also one of the best colleges of North Campus. It has the greatest faculty. Me being myself a Kirorian can, assure you, can give you reviews about it. So it has great faculty. The teachers have great experience of around more than 15 to 20 years of teaching experience. They are all doctorates, and yeah, the faculty is good. We have many activities, like we have many societies like we have dramatics, consulting, placement, then other department societies, inactives. So yeah, the societies are really prestigious, and there are other activities too, like sports, that we have a great sports complex, then NCC, NSS, and also not to forget to mention about Garima Loya. She was the she was a AIR1 in UPSC in batch of, I guess, 2022, if I'm not wrong. Yes, so yeah, we have great NCC students too. Then next preference would be Ramjas College. Ramjas is also a North Campus college, uh, and yeah, it also holds the same worth as Kirori College, but it's just behind in line with it. Okay, so now seventh is Sri Venkateshwara College. Though it is a South Campus college like Lady Shri Ram College, but still it holds the same value as any North Campus college because it has as I said, it has great placements and great opportunities. So I would recommend Sri Venkateshwara College, um, uh, a South Campus college. If I have to recommend, I would recommend Sri Venkateshwara College, क्योंकि उसकी भी प्लेसमेंट सारी काफी अच्छी है and it is one of those colleges of South Campus that equals to a North Campus college. Okay, so yeah, Sri Venkateshwara College. If you get it, if you have it in your preference, if you are considering to put it in your preference list, please put it. Don't hesitate that it's a South Campus college. You should put it, far behind other colleges. No, it should be among your, top 10 preferences. It would be Shahid Bhagat Singh College. Yeah, we all are aware about that college too. It has really nice opportunities. It is similar to Sri Venkateshwara College, but if I have to compare between those two, I would recommend Sri Venkateshwara to be, kept above Shahid Bhagat Singh. Okay, so another North Campus college would be Sri Guru Tej Bahadur Khalsa College. It is also a very good North Campus college, but only after these two South Campus colleges of Sri Venkateshwara and Shahid Bhagat Singh. Next is Gargi, Daulatram, GMC, and Indraprastha. They all are women colleges. So yeah, uh, girl student can place it in the preference list after Guru Tej Bahadur Khalsa. Uh, Daulatram is one of the very great colleges, one of the very great women colleges in whole of DU, and especially in North Campus. In North Campus, we don't have much women colleges, but if we have, whatever few we have, Daulatram is the best of them. Uh, then coming back to Sri Guru Gobind Singh, so it is an off-campus college, but it is preferred above other South Campus colleges, which I have placed here from serial number 15th to 23, because it is it though it is an off-campus college, it still equals to other South Campus colleges. So yeah, therefore it is placed on the 14th number. Then we have other South Campus colleges like Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, Dayal Singh, Atma, ARSD, KNC, Aryabhat, Shamlal, Motilal, Sri Aurobindo. Yeah, these are all the South Campus colleges that you can consider as though they are South Campus colleges, they still are better to be kept as your 15th to 20th preferences, as I might say. Then in line we have Satyavati Lakshmi Bai, which Satyavati Lakshmi Bai, yeah, as of campus colleges. Then there's Shahid Bhagat Singh Evening College. You might see that Shahid Bhagat Singh is placed at 8th number, because obviously it is considered that evening colleges are a little less uh, you know, little less good than a day or morning college. So that's why Shahid Bhagat Singh Evening College is placed uh, lower to the morning one at the 27th number. But you might see that after that we have other colleges which are off campus colleges. So a South Campus Evening College is preferred over other off campus colleges. Then we have other off-campus colleges like Deen Dayal, Deshbandhu, Keshav Mahavidyalaya, Ramanjan, Zakir Hussain, Shivaji, Maharaja Singh, Rajdhani, yeah, and others you might see like Shyamlal Acharya, Narendra Kalindi, Janki Dev, Vivekanand. Yes. So these are all of campus colleges. Then moving forward is Dayal Singh, Satyavati, Motilal Nehru. These are all evening colleges. As I said, evening colleges are preferred much less than, off campus colleges. And then there's PGDAV, Shyam Prasad, Swami Shraddhanand, Shamlal College, Guru Nanak Dev, Bharti. So these are all of campus colleges and other evening colleges. So to sum up this whole session, I would just say that please don't be in a hurry to fill out your preference sheets too quickly. Do your research and see what suits you, see what is more prestigious, and something that matches the worth. Okay, so think wisely, and don't think that you might have not performed well, so you should not keep srcc at top. You don't know what might happen. You might get srcc even in the third round, or even in spot rounds too. So just don't underestimate yourself as of now, and don't settle your preferences on the basis of how your exams, or how your score is being calculated through the answer sheet. Okay, so focus on setting your preferences as you might like, irrespective of what your scores are. Okay, so if you wanted your srcc to be your first preference, put srcc as your first preference. Okay, and I would recommend all of you to to go through this process smoothly and softly. Don't hurry at all, don't panic. We are here to help you, because a little mistake in panic can ruin this process, and it can even deprive you of getting into your dream college. So just don't panic and keep your hopes high. And if you face any difficulty, or any difficulty or any query of your sort, you can always reach out to us through EduShield. You can take our counseling sessions. They are much more informative than these sessions. You will get one-on-one counseling from me or any other mentor. So yeah, looking forward to see you all in DU, in KMC, or in North Campus, overall in DU. So wish you all the best. Bye.